In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your Jira backlog by priority. We'll walk through the essentials step by step so you can quickly bring order to your work and make sure the most important items stay front and center. Start by heading over to Atlassian.com. From there, click sign up to create your account and get access to Jira. Once your account is set up and you're signed in, go to your Scrum project. This is where your team's backlog lives and where you'll manage the work you plan to deliver in your sprints. Inside your project, look to the left-hand navigation and click Backlog. You'll now see your list of issues, stories, and tasks all in one place. Each item in this list has a few quick actions and indicators to help you manage it without opening a separate page. Focus your attention on the far right side of each item in the backlog. There, you'll find a small icon dedicated to priority. This is the priority icon. It's your quick way to label how urgent or important a given issue is. When you click this icon, a drop-down menu opens with several options. Those options are ordered from highest to lowest priority. Simply choose the level that best reflects the impact and urgency of that item. As a general guideline, use the highest level for work that is blocking progress or is critical to release, and move down the list for work that is important, routine, or nice to have. This simple selection is what enables you to start sorting your Jira backlog by priority through these options. Work your way through the backlog, clicking the priority icon on each item and assigning the right level. This helps your team see at a glance what needs attention first. It also makes planning easier because your backlog will naturally reflect what should be tackled sooner rather than later. If you ever need to adjust, just click the icon again and pick a new priority. Your changes are instant. If you don't see the priority icon, your project might have the field hidden or restricted, so check with your project administrator to enable it. And remember, consistency matters. Agree as a team on what each priority level means so you don't end up marking everything as high. That's it. You went to Atlassian.com, clicked sign up, opened your Scrum project, clicked backlog, found the priority icon at the far right of each item, and used the drop-down options from highest to lowest to sort your Jira backlog by priority. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.